Welcome to Spitzer Buick GMC Findlay. And here's a look at another one of our great vehicles for sale, and comes equipped with technology package, navigation, cross traffic alert, power sliding rear window and defogger, IntelliBeam with automatic high beam on and off, lane change alert with side blind zone alert, heavy duty 80 amp battery, lane departure warning system, 10-way power passenger seat adjuster with lumbar, OnStar and GMC connected services capable, and has less than 25,000 miles on the odometer. Saving you more since 1904. The Spitzer family of dealerships is proud to provide our friends and neighbors with the best purchasing and owning experience in Ohio. We have a friendly staff and provide a fun atmosphere for our guests. And we offer the best value for the lowest price. So give us a call or stop by Spitzer Buick GMC Findlay today, where our world revolves around you.